Discussing one more concept of the chemistry, that is states of matter. So as we see around us, we find that matter is in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. So as we can see that these three kind of states exist in the surrounding around us because of the characteristics, because of the variation of the characteristics of the particle of the matter. So these three states exist around us in these three forms. And now we are focusing on solids. So as we see that solids have a very strong force of attraction between their particles. It is because of this reason they are solids, and they have some kind of characteristics about it which you have to understand. That is what they have got the definite shape, and they have the distinct boundaries, and they are in the fixed volumes, and they have no compressibility. So as we apply force, outside force into the solids, we see that when the force is applied, they do not even try to lose their shape. They always maintain their shape. If we apply it very abruptly, so they will break down. As we take the case of rubber band. If the rubber band is applied with some force, and if we stretch it, and when we release the force, it comes back. But when we apply the excessive force, it will break down and it will never come back into its shape. So now in the today's class, the very important question which can be asked in your school is about the sponge. So what do you say about sponge? Sponge is a solid or liquid or gas? Of course it is a solid. So when we apply some outside force into it, it always compresses itself, and why? This question will be asked why, and you have to explain this. The answer to this question is that sponge is a solid because it has got a minute holes into it where air is trapped. So when we compress it, the air is expelled out and it again regain its shape when the excessive force is removed. So this is how this answer to this question is being given out in your answer sheet. Thank you very much.